Hello everyone, welcome to our most advanced session yet. I hope you are ready to move beyond the basics and enter the world of autonomous automation. You have already mastered the environment setup. Now, it is time to put those tools to work and learn the art of web scraping and building testbots. Today, we are going to explore how we can turn the entire internet into our own personal database, extracting valuable insights automatically. This is where QA engineering meets data science. It is a fascinating journey, so make sure you are focused. Let's dive in. At its core, web scraping is the process of using bots to extract content and data from a website. It is the engine that powers modern price trackers and search engines. Everything you see on a web page is wrapped in HTML tags. Scraping works by identifying these patterns and pulling the text or links hidden within them. However, with great power comes responsibility. Before scraping any site, we must always check their robots.txt file to ensure we are respecting their rules. Ethical scraping means not overloading servers and only collecting data that is publicly accessible. This is the hallmark of a professional QA engineer. For simple, static pages, BeautifulSoup is our go-to library. It is incredibly fast and efficient at parsing HTML content into a structured format. When we need to crawl entire websites, Scrapy is the industry framework of choice. It handles thousands of requests with built-in pipelines for data storage. But what about modern sites that use JavaScript to load content? That is where our friend Selenium comes back into the spotlight. Selenium allows us to interact with the page just like a real user, clicking buttons, scrolling, and waiting for dynamic content to appear before we grab the data. Now, let's talk about testbots. A testbot is an autonomous script designed to perform repetitive tasks, like checking stock levels or monitoring price changes. Imagine a bot that watches your favorite online store and alerts you the second a high-demand item comes back in stock. That is the power of a testbot. Building these bots starts with defining the trigger. What event should start the automation? Is it a timer or a specific change on the page? We often use cron jobs or loops to tell our bot exactly when to run. Precision is everything in autonomous automation. Once the bot extracts the data, it needs to process it. We can save it to a database, an Excel file, or even send a notification to Slack or Discord. Of course, it isn't always easy. Many websites use CAPTCHAs to block bots. Overcoming these requires advanced techniques like headless browsing. CAPTCHAs are designed to distinguish humans from machines. Learning to navigate these challenges is a key skill for any senior automation engineer. To avoid being blocked, professional scrapers use proxy rotation, making it look like the requests are coming from different locations around the world. As AI continues to evolve, our bots are becoming even smarter, able to adapt to site changes without us rewriting a single line of code. AI-driven scraping can identify elements based on their visual appearance rather than just their HTML tags, making our automations nearly bulletproof. Mastering web scraping and testbots opens up a world of possibilities, from automated market research to building your own personal assistants. You have the foundation. Now, I want you to start exploring. What data can you find? What tasks can you automate? The internet is yours. That is our masterclass on web scraping and testbots. I hope you found this as exciting as I do. It is truly the frontier of QA. In our next chapter, we will dive into automation with Selenium. Make sure to practice everything we learned today at home. Please subscribe to our channel and leave your feedback in the comments. I love seeing your progress. See you in the next lesson.